to restore stories you have deleted in Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to restore your stories again after deleted on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram and go to your profile, and now click on those three lines up there beside the plus icon and click on your activity. Now scroll down and click on the second before the last, recently deleted. View and manage content you have recently deleted. Click on it and click on stories. Now only you can see those stories and they will be permanently deleted after the number of days shown. After that I won't be able to restore them again. So you see this story, he have 29 days and they're gonna delete it from recently deleted list, and I can't be able to restore this story again. Now to restore this story, all I need to do is click on more and click on restore, and they're gonna show on my story again. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, not forget to subscribe and like.